Okay, so if you want to get your heated steering wheel working, when you remove your steering wheel, first look for these two prongs. If they are not present, then look in the description. There will be a link for a new clock spring that will include those two prongs. On the back of the yellow connector on the clock spring, you'll want to add this power sourced 12-volt keyed wire. The link for the connector will be in the description. For this, you'll want to take the temperature module that is inside the steering wheel, remove it, showing the 7 wire that's original and the 6 wire that you will order that's from a Cadillac. After you remove the covers off the modules, you'll see that each wire is labeled and the colors for each wire. Once you remove the wires from the circuit boards, make sure you note on the 7 wire which wire color goes with which spot so that when you put it on the new 6 wire, you can install them correctly with leaving out the orange wire. This is what you should have after resoldering all the factory wires onto the new module circuit board with the orange wire being left off. After this, you can reinstall everything as it should be, and you will have a heated steering wheel.